Kenya, a country located in East Africa, is known for its diverse cultural heritage, wildlife, and beautiful landscapes. The country's cuisine is equally diverse, reflecting the influences of its various ethnic groups and colonial history. In this essay, we will explore the unique and fascinating cuisine of Kenya, its history, and its influence on modern cuisine. History. Kenyan cuisine has a long history, dating back to the pre-colonial era. The country's diverse ethnic groups had their own unique food cultures, which were based on their geographical location, agricultural practices, and cultural practices. Some of the most significant ethnic groups in Kenya include the Kikuyu, the Luhya, the Luo, the Kalenjin, and the Maasai. During the colonial era, Kenya was ruled by the British, and their influence on the country's cuisine is still evident today. The British introduced new ingredients and cooking techniques, which were then incorporated into traditional Kenyan dishes. Traditional Kenyan dishes. Traditional Kenyan dishes are still popular in the country today, and they offer a glimpse into Kenya's unique culinary history. Here are some of the most popular traditional Kenyan dishes. Ugali. This is a staple food in Kenya, made from maize flour and water. It has a porridge-like texture and is often served with a meat or vegetable stew. Nyama choma. This is a grilled meat dish that is popular in Kenya. It is typically made with beef or goat meat and is often served with ugali and a side of vegetables. Pilo. This is a rice dish that is spiced with a mixture of cumin, coriander, and other spices. It is typically served with a meat or vegetable stew. Sukuma wiki. This is a vegetable dish made with collard greens or kale. It is often sautéed with onions and tomatoes and served as a side dish. Chapati. This is a type of flatbread that is popular in Kenya. It is made from flour, water, and oil and is often served with a meat or vegetable stew. Modern Kenyan cuisine. In recent years, Kenyan cuisine has undergone a transformation, and it has become more diverse and international. Chefs in Kenya are now using local ingredients to create modern and innovative dishes that are attracting attention from around the world. Kenyan chefs are known for their focus on using fresh, local ingredients, and their dishes often reflect the country's diverse cultural heritage. Some of the most popular modern Kenyan dishes include Kenyan fish curry. This is a seafood dish made with fresh fish, coconut milk, and a variety of spices. It is typically served with rice or chapati. Maharagwe. This is a bean stew that is popular in Kenya. It is made with red beans, tomatoes, onions, and a variety of spices and is often served with ugali. Kuku paka. This is a chicken dish that is popular in Kenya's coastal region. It is made with coconut milk, a variety of spices, and is often served with rice or chapati. Mandazi. This is a type of fried dough that is similar to a donut. It is often served as a snack or as a dessert. Mutura. This is a type of sausage made from minced meat, spices, and cow intestines. It is typically served as a street food snack. Influence on modern cuisine.